What's up, Sam here. Today, let's take a quick look at the Huawei MateBook Fold ultimate design. Meet the world's first foldable laptop. Let's unbox first. It's packed in the fully open form when unboxing. That's the 18-inch mode. First impression, super light. Besides the notebook, we have a carrying bag, another little pouch, a keyboard, and a power adapter. That's basically everything in the box. Now, let's get to the MateBook Fold.
Wow.
The one we got is the white virgin leather version. Fold up, it's like a book. 13 inches when closed, 18 inches when opened. Press and hold the power key to put it up. In folded form, the front sports a subtle Huawei logo. The white vegan leather finish feels wonderfully premium. Down the spine is a long, robust hinge with ultimate design branding. The asymmetric back panel isn't just for looks. One side has a stand that flips out when needed, perfectly integrated into the design. The other side stays shut for symmetry, like the pages of the book. On the right edge, you'll find a USB-C port, a combined power button fingerprint reader, and 4 ventilation slots. Across the top, there's another vent and a second USB-C, giving you 2 USB-C ports and a total of 6 vents. Impressive on such a compact chassis. Seeing how thin and light this full Windows PC is, or I should say HarmonyOS PC, you can imagine the engineering challenges Huawei had to overcome to pack so much inside. Can you open it one-handed? Yes, easily. And the hinge stays rock solid all the way. The max unfolding angle is like it's about to open fully flat, as you can see. You can feel the firm resistance when you fold or unfold. When folding near the end, it gives you another resistance feedback so you know when it's about to close. So overall, in normal laptop use, it feels incredibly stable. Because it's a huge flexible OLED, many of you will ask about the crease. If you look at it directly in front of you, head on, you cannot see or feel it at all, even against a white background. Only from extreme angles under certain lighting does a faint line appear. At least the first look is good. But we have to wait until more use. Subscribe to my channel for later updates. As this is the first foldable laptop, you might wonder how to use it. How are the interaction and gestures? Let us demo quickly for you. Flat on the table, it's one seamless display. All UIs look just like on your phone. When you fold it slightly, the UI will then automatically split into upper and lower zones. If we have multiple apps or widgets, they will then be arranged one below the other in order. Unlike some foldables, both halves remain fully functional touchscreens, no wasted space. Now, if we open an app, it shows on the upper half screen. If you want to move the window down, just 3 finger swipe down, and vice versa. It's that easy and fun. And if you want to maximize the window, just do a 5 finger pinch. Spread the window to fit its current half, or the entire 18 inches if you keep pinching. Oh my god! Okay, here let me show you the full 80-inch. A waterfall-like viewing experience. Is that something amazing? I could imagine viewing doc files would be extremely fun. It's like flipping through a scroll of information. And you know, both halves are touchable. But you may wonder, how do we type? Here's the magic. Just use both hands to tap on the lower half and the virtual keyboard will pop up, morphing into a haptic touch keyboard with sound and vibration. So if you just want to use this virtual keyboard instead of a physical one, it still has a surprisingly natural typing feeling. Here's a fun gesture. You can press the delete key to delete the words one by one, or swipe across the delete key to erase entire lines in one gesture. Now let's talk about the magnetic physical keyboard. Just like that, and it will firmly snap into place magnetically to the lower half. It's so crisp. And notice how the UI is seamlessly shift up to the upper half. The key travel is satisfying. And compared to the virtual keyboard, I think it's better for long typing sessions or for someone with longer fingernails like Eva. Another one finger gesture I'd like to mention, single swipe up to close an app. If you swipe up and hold, it's for multitasking, just like on a phone. It might take a few minutes to learn all the new gestures, but once you get used to it, it's gonna be really fun and easy, just like operating a phone. So now you've seen it, but why on earth this form factor and what benefits does it bring us? Well, here are a few samples. It gives you more immersive entertainment. Like watching videos or movies on 80-inch OLED is glorious. The sound is great too, isn't it? And for the ultimate TikTok viewing experience, you can swipe videos vertically or horizontally. That's huge and absolutely stunning. When it comes to work, let's say I'm doing a PPT presentation. If you do it in the fully unfolded form, you don't even need an external monitor because the text and details look really big and clear. And if you want to do the presentation in a half-folded state, run a full-screen PPT on the top half, while the bottom shows you speaking notes. I think your boss will at least be amazed by your laptop. And since this is one huge seamless screen, you can really enjoy some high-res art pictures. You can expand to the full 80-inch mode, pinch and zoom the details. Holy smoke, which artist wouldn't love their work to be displayed on this canvas-like screen? So the first experience, two types of people will love this. Business users, you use it to show your PPT, check stock market data, or see how much you've lost. Creators and designers, large, color-accurate screen for editing and showcasing work. But it's also great for everyday users. Broad stream type, portrait, landscape, virtual or physical keyboard, the versatility is unmatched. But of course, first you have to afford it. Because even if you buy it in China mainland, it would be around $3,300 for the 1 TB model and $3,700 for the 2 TB model. That's something eye-watering for average users, isn't it? But still, I'm glad to see the innovation behind this masterpiece of tech. It's been a long time since I've been this excited for a notebook, whether the new form factor or the fresh viewing and interacting experience. Bravo, Huawei! And speaking of innovation, it reminds me of the Camperig trekking pole. Even when facing rugged mountains ahead, you can rely on it to take one step at a time and push forward. Made from custom 7075 aluminum alloy, it's ultra light yet impressively strong. What makes it truly special is its built-in 1/4 inch mount, seamless connecting your 360 cam, action cam, phone, or even a camping lantern. It's currently crowdfunding. Click the link below to learn more. And subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching, and Sammy will see you in the next one.